I've been meditating for several years now, but over the last 3 or 4 years, the meditation has been inconsistent, and until recently, I haven't been meditating at all. My work was getting on top of me. I was becoming overwhelmed and managing my time very badly and making lots of mistakes. I then started experiencing bouts of anxiety, and I knew that something had to change. One reason or another, I just couldn't get back into the habit. Along came the COVID-19 pandemic, and this forced me to look at myself, gave me an opportunity to actually try and do something about my situation. I checked out his website. I was really drawn to the tone of his voice and his manner and joined his Limitless Life course. And I have to say, from the very first day, and it was only a short meditation, 1 minute, I felt a change within myself. And it's been growing since then. I've noticed behaviours within myself, my thinking. I've learned to observe my thoughts and stop and think about my reactions. And I have to say it's been really beneficial for me. I'm determined to change my life for the better, change the way I react and behave in situations, feeling a lot more grounded because of it. I would recommend the Limitless Life course to anybody who perhaps never done meditation before, and to anybody like myself who has meditated in the past but hasn't kept up the practice. It can only do you good, and I feel a definite change within myself.